If you want a simple and secure VPN without paying full price, let me show you how to get the best deal on TunnelBear. We're on the official TunnelBear website. TunnelBear is a beginner-friendly VPN that encrypts your internet connection, hides your IP address, and protects your online privacy, making it ideal for public Wi-Fi and safe browsing. On the pricing page, you can see a free plan and several paid plans. The free plan is good for testing, while the paid plans give you unlimited data and unlimited device connections. TunnelBear offers monthly, yearly, and 3-year subscriptions. The 3-year plan gives you the biggest savings, with up to 67% off, making it the best option for long-term protection at the lowest cost. Before choosing a plan, it's always smart to check Techiecoupons. Now switching to the Techiecoupons website. On Techiecoupons, you'll find a dedicated TunnelBear store page with the latest active and verified TunnelBear coupon codes, helping you see which discounts are available. Now back on the TunnelBear website. Choose the 3-year plan and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, enter the TunnelBear coupon code from Techiecoupons and apply it. The discount will be applied instantly if the code is valid. That's it. You can now use TunnelBear with full privacy and security while saving money. Before buying any VPN, always visit Techiecoupons to find verified coupons and updated deals. The link to the TunnelBear coupon page is in the description.